In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim CoinGecko Candies and use them to claim Airdrop. First, let's quickly cover what candies are. On CoinGecko, candies are free reward points you earn just by using the app or logging in daily. They're not a cryptocurrency, so you can't withdraw them as cash or trade them on an exchange. Instead, you redeem them for rewards, which can include discounts, certain NFTs, merchandise, and occasionally access to airdrop campaigns. Think of them like loyalty points that unlock perks inside and around the CoinGecko ecosystem. Here's how to claim them. Open the CoinGecko app or visit the website and log into your account. Tap your profile icon and head into the candies section. Once you're there, click check in and check in. Do this every day. Your daily streak matters because the longer you keep it going, the more candies you'll earn per day. CoinGecko also offers bonus rewards for consistent logins, so making this a quick habit is the best way to build your balance over time. A simple tip is to pair your check-in with something you already do daily so it becomes second nature. When you're ready to use your candies, go back to the candies area and open the rewards section. This is your rewards store where you can browse what's currently available. You'll commonly see discount vouchers for things like hardware wallets or VPNs, NFTs from partner campaigns, platform merchandise, and sometimes limited airdrop opportunities. Availability changes, so it's worth checking back regularly. If something interests you, open the reward to see the details. To redeem, click the specific reward, confirm the redemption, and follow the on-screen instructions. Some redemptions will provide a code, while others may link you to an external page to complete the process. Keep an eye on any expiration windows or usage notes included with the reward so you don't miss out. Now, an important reality check about airdrops. Candies themselves do not guarantee you'll receive tokens. Airdrops on CoinGecko are typically limited time campaigns, often first come, first served, and they can require extra steps beyond redemption. Usually, after you redeem access with candies, you'll receive a code, a link, or a set of instructions. From there, you may need to complete tasks such as joining a community channel, following a project's social account, or connecting a wallet like MetaMask. Once those tasks are done, you'll wait for the project's distribution timeline. That's the full flow. Check in daily to build your candy balance, browse the rewards section, redeem what fits your goals, and for airdrops, follow the provided instructions carefully. Happy collecting!